Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Marriott account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to create an account on Marriott Bonvoy or the Marriott Bonvoy, first open up a preferred browser on your computer, and after that, the search bar, click over there and type in marriott.com like this and hit enter. And after that, you'll be directed to the Marriott's homepage, and on the top right corner of your screen you can see the sign in or the join button available over there. Click on sign in or join and click on join, and after that you'll be directed to this page. Scroll down a little bit and you can see there is this form available to sign up. Click over here and enter your details as required by the form: postal code, your email, and enter your password over here. Create a password, a strong password, guys. And after choosing your password, click on join. Let's let the page load, and there you guys, you can see on the top of the screen there is my name. Let's save it, which means I have successfully created an account on Marriott Bonvoy. To confirm it, let's enter our Gmail and let's see if there is any verification emails by Marriott Bonvoy. And there, guys, I have successfully created an account on Marriott Bonvoy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.